Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you pay with Google Pay on eBay? It's really simple. So, first and foremost, I want you to make sure that you're logged into your Google Pay first so that it'll automatically route you from there. So, let's just go ahead and go to eBay first on this one and trying to start from there. Trying to buy stuff from there. I do not have a platform here in eBay, but if you're a customer, that's a good thing. So this is search for boxing let's just search gloves in general. Here we go. So this one is a bit costly, but for tutorial, just buy it now. Just click on buy it now if you're ready to do this. Again, make sure that you are logged in to your actual Google Pay or Google account, whatever. Just go ahead and buy it now, and once you click on that, see here, you can continue with Google or continue with Apple, so to say. You could pay via Facebook and Gcash as well. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.